What's up? We're back in another video. We see a lot on the screen right now, but I just want to kind of show you a little bit of what we got going on. I just want to give you an example of how you can install and use your MPC Key 61 plugins on your favorite DAW of choice, Studio One, Logic, Pro Tools. It's all there. The cool things about these native MPC plugins is that they do come in VST format. You do have to download them from your software center, which is what this software here. This is the InMusic software center, and you can just click on install, just make sure activate things, and typically through this process you can download the necessary files needed to install them on your favorite DAW. So this is just 5 examples of some of the plugins you can have on here. So I got the organ right there activated. If I went to Sub Factory, you know, you could definitely play with that, and you know, right there on the software in real time. We also have the stage EP, which is also really cool. Good. Studio strings right there as well. And these are all native MPC plugins right there. All 5 of these can run natively on your MPC Key 61 or your other MPC hardware. But sometimes maybe you want to take it in the box, and you can do that. Totally works the same way. The only trade-off is that you don't get to use the Q links like how you would on your if this is like your main controller and you're using this in a DAW, you don't have that same mini mapping previously mapped kind of thing going on. You don't have that, so you have to sort of map or remap it using your own protocols for the DAW that you use. You do have to use that, so that is sort of kind of like the deal there. So I mean, you could really hook up some really cool stuff on here. Like I say, Air has a lot of great plugins. You can drag them in, and I think they have a Christmas sale on right now, so definitely this is a good time to cop them if you're in the market for plugins, because I'm telling you, they're going crazy right now online with plugins. And it's cool because it gives us stuff that we can use throughout the year to create good music. So once you use your software, your InMusic software center, and you install that, and then let that kind of help you get those plugins. And then also you've got to make sure, the other step is that you got to scan your plugins. So I'm not sure how you do that in other platforms. I know in FL Studio there's a plugin scanning function. In Studio One there's a plugin. So there's probably one in other platforms too. So once you do that and it sees that, create your track, and then you're off to the races. So just wanted to do a short video about that. If you got any other questions, let me know. I want to make videos answering questions. So if you got a question, big or small, feel free to type it in the comments. And you know, we'll knock it out just like how we did this one. You're watching the Dilio TTK YouTube channel. I'm Dilio. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.